The 5 best makeup brands in the world. 1. MAC. World-famous makeup brand was started in a kitchen back in 1984. Frank Angelo, a beauty salon owner, and Frank Toscan, a photographer, were frustrated by how bad most makeup looked in photos. It also sells more lipstick than any other non-drug store. Makeup brand. 2. Bobbi Brown. Bobbi Brown is a global prestige beauty brand that strives to empower women to embrace and enhance their individual beauty. It was founded in 1991 by makeup artist turned entrepreneur Bobbi Brown. 3. Smashbox. Smashbox Cosmetics was launched in 1996 by LA-based brothers Dean and Davis Factor. 4. Clinique. Clinique is one of the most trusted skincare and cosmetics brands in the world. It was the first company to recognize the differing skincare needs of men and women. You can also get a free skin consultation at any Clinique store. 5. Maybelline. Everyone's favorite drugstore brand Maybelline was founded way back in 1915. Thomas Lyle Williams, a chemist, observed his sister Mabel using Vaseline, coal, and ash for her eyebrows, and he was amused.